Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to episode 2 of my garage build. I know I originally planned on doing lighting in this episode, but my lights haven't come in yet. I have gotten more drywall down and insulation. I got some materials in, so right now I'm going to start by putting up some new insulation and maybe start hanging drywall. Alright, now that we got cleaned out, it's time to put some safety gear on and get started. The type of insulation I'm using is R13. It's just in a roll fiberglass batting. Research, it seems to be the best for exterior facing walls. And I also have some foam insulation to fill in any gaps and cracks. Okay, so as you can see, not only is this insulation pretty poor in here, there's a bunch of these big gaps where light's coming through. And that's the main reason why we got the gap sealer. Lindsay's going to put the sealer in there now.
Oh crap.
So ever since we moved in here, there's been this mystery board. I'm assuming that's part of the reason why this insulation was so bad. So I'm going to rip this up and see what kind of mess we find behind it.
Nothing.
Well, looks like we lucked out. There's not a big mess behind there. It's just a giant opening to the siding. That's better than having a giant hole in the whole roof, in the whole siding. There's some mold there, so we'll spray that with killer and we'll keep going. So even though I don't have my lights in yet, one of the last minute things I thought about doing was replacing both of these switches. I don't like how there's two different ones and they're on top of each other. That's going to be a pain once we get the drywall to cut that out. So instead, I have a motion sensor light for the lights inside, and then the second switch are for the lights outside, which I'll keep on a regular toggle switch. And they'll be side by side, and I think give it a lot cleaner look.
Something's live in there. About to go through my arm. I was like, why is my hand tingling? Oh yeah, I'm getting shocked.
Alright, so we're going to go ahead and call it a day. We got all the insulation put up. You see behind me the new kind of like paper bagish colored, and then we still have the old insulation that I decided to leave up that wasn't too bad. My camera cut out on me again. I'll try to get that situated so it won't happen anymore. But we did get the switch installed, not without getting shocked a few times. The wiring in this old house is kind of wacky, and we didn't really know what wires went to what. Our breaker panel doesn't have any labels on it, so we just had to kind of guess on which one to turn off. But we finally got motion sensor and the toggle. They work just fine. We tested it out. It took a little bit longer to put together than we anticipated, which is why we're going ahead and stopping. We did try to do a test run with the drywall. We got the holes cut out, but for whatever reason, this drywall seems to be a lot thicker than what was up there originally. I did my research. 1/2 inch seemed to be okay to use on the walls. It's the most common size, so for whatever reason, when we put it up there to do a test fit, both the switches and the outlet set in way too deep. That kind of put a stop on what we were doing too, but I did find these cool little things. They're outlet extenders that we'll put in the screws. You can see here, I went ahead and started on this one. It's going to space it out more so that when we have the drywall up, we can have a faceplate on there and it'll be flush with the drywall. I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and I'll catch you in the next episode. If you like what I'm doing and want to continue on with me in this build, leave a like and subscribe. And a big thanks to my girlfriend Lindsay for helping out this time.